Hello, hi guys. We're going to see how to read and display images in Python. This is Dr. Abdul Karim. Let's begin. So firstly, I'm going to define a variable called path and assign the value or the path of the image to it. Second, I'm going to use OpenCV package and calling import CV2. CV2 has a function called ImageRead, which takes two arguments. The one is the path of the image, the second one is the color plate. So since my image is colorful, so I'm going to give the value cv2.imageRead_color and assign the value, the result of this ImageRead, to a variable called image. Now I'm going to display the image, so I'm calling the function ImageShow. ImageShow takes two arguments as well. The first one is the title of the window, and the second one is the image that has been read. Now if I try to execute the file by calling Python, so as you see, nothing happens. Actually it does, but it's fast. The window has appeared and disappeared immediately, and I need for this one to hold the execution to call a function called waitKey and pass the argument 0. 0 means infinitive, just waits forever until I press any key. So here you can see the image of Aleppo Citadel. If you are familiar with programming, so waitKey is maybe like equivalent to readLine in other languages like C#. Okay, so how about if I want to display the image in grayscale? So simply just you need to change the value for the second argument of the function ImageRead to ImageRead_grayscale, and let's execute again and see what's going to happen. So as you see, Aleppo Citadel is being displayed in grayscale. Okay, well, let's see. I would like to see the shape of the image, the data that I've got from the function ImageRead. By the way, ImageRead returns a matrix. So now if I get the dimension of the matrix for the grayscale, I'm going to get 2D, two dimension, and that is because it's grayscale. Grayscale simply for each pixel has a single value. But now if I change to colorful, so you would see that now I've got 3 dimensions, and that is because for each pixel has 3, or being represented in 3 values, one for blue and green and red. So let's just like have it more tidy, print them in 2 different statements at the same time. And I don't want to show the image again, just to make the execution faster. Here as you see that I got the content of those matrices, but actually I only need the shape, so I specify that I only need the shape, and I've got the same result that we've seen earlier. The statement prints is actually very useful. You can specify unlimited number of arguments. So here I'm going just to make it the statement more neaty and looks better and better presentation. So I'm specifying that the first one is for the image. I'm getting the shape for the color image, and the second one for the grayscale image. How about if I need to get the value of the first pixel for the color image and the first pixel for the grayscale image? Let's see how we can do that. So the first pixel of color image. So in order to do that, I need to specify the indices for this matrix. But since I need only the first pixel, so I'm going to say 0 0, and the third one I just simply say that I need all of them. I don't want to specify any value for the third index. That is because for color image, as I said earlier, we have 3 values, so I need all 3 values for the first pixel. While for grayscale, it's only consists of a single value for each pixel. So simply just 0 0. Then this is gonna be. So here you see that I got for the colorful image 3 values because of RGB, red, green, blue, and for the second one is only the grayscale. So in this video we have seen how to read and display images in Python. If you like it, please don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and see you again. Bye bye.